Hello, this is Rapid Holding Systems. I'm showing you our Rapid Holding Systems branded 70 mm clamping self-centering vise. This is our very own design of 70 mm clamping centering vise, and it comes pre-mounted on 70 mm pallet, 70 mm system 3R compatible macro pallet, as well as we deliver it with the 54 mm macro compatible pallet. So this one is double centered and good for vertical and horizontal processing machines. Material is a stainless steel for this vise, and the dimensions are the length of vise is 153 mm and the width is 127 mm. So the length of the clamping jaws are 127 mm as well, and the maximum clamping width is 70 mm for this vise. We are having various versions of this vise available, and the clamping length starts from as small as from 45 millimeters up to 220 millimeters. We are having all the versions available. Call us today to inquire about all available models, or ask us for the CAD model to check the detailed specifications and the design of this centering vise. So this one is great gripping and works great on 4-axis, 5-axis CNC machines. This listing is available on our website www.rapidholdingsystems.com. This particular design is having the 4 clearing holes in the body of the vise, and is having a center bar to manually open and close the workpiece to tighten the self-centering vise from both ends of the vise. So this one is a great piece, great accuracy. Welcome to inquire us today at our website www.rapidholdingsystems.com. Thank you for watching.